teach you how you can make your own yummy, healthy snack. All you're gonna need is just some organic dates and dry fruits of your choice and some ghee or butter, whatever you prefer. So I'm gonna use ghee for today, and let's get going. I have this organic peated dates which I got from Costco. You can buy it from any place of your preference. And next what I have is this mixed nut from HEB. I think it has almonds, some walnut, Brazilian nut, some cashew. I also have some almonds here at home, and then I have the walnut, I guess. Yeah. Let's see how well this one grinds. Or you could cut it, I think. I'm not sure. I've not used the grinder before for this. Adding a little bit of water. Should have used something which was like, I should have used our other bigger blender, and I did this and it's stuck, and I'm not sure how I'm going to remove this. Finally able to remove these, but it was a bad idea, so I'm gonna go back to my old blender and gonna blend it. So with all the trouble that I went through, I've decided that I'll rather just cut the dates into smaller pieces. It's already so soft, you don't need to blend it in the blender, especially if you have something that is similar to mine and which like literally grinds it into a smoothie. We don't need that, we don't want that. So I'm going to cut into small pieces along with the dry fruits that I plan to add. So we'll go with that. Let's start cutting the dates. It's here. So I'm going to place it here in the chopping board. First time that I made it was, I think, 2 years ago. I like it so much, especially if you want to snack on something between your meals. You could use this as a good alternative because dates has fibers and it's sweet. You could also add cocoa powder if you want, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do small pieces like this, nothing elaborate, just something that looks like this. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So everything is ready. Our dates are ready. I chopped the remaining half and our dry fruit is ready as well. All we are left to do is I've switched on my stove and take a clean pan, especially if it's a cast iron, even better. I'll add some ghee to it when it's ready, and then I'm gonna add dry fruits in there after that, which I'll film for you guys. And when it's kind of like roasted already, I'm just gonna do a 2-3 stir. After that I'm gonna add the dates to it. I'm gonna fold it like 2-3 times, and I'm gonna switch off the stove. I'm gonna let it cool down, and we are gonna make any shape as we desire. But my husband likes it like laddus. He says that it's easy to eat like that. Like I'm gonna make that. So meanwhile, let's just wait for it to be ready. So I'm gonna add some ghee to this. Unaesthetic way of putting the old ghee. So the ghee is here. I was gone for quite some time. I left it for around, I think, almost 2 hours, and it's ready to be rolled in any desired shape as you want. I'm gonna make laddus, like the round ones. I've already cleaned my hands. I'm gonna make tiny ones. So as you can see, the texture is very easy to mold into any shape that you want. So I'm gonna make As I was editing, I just realized that I didn't film an outro for the video. I didn't film the end result of the snack that we prepared together. So here it is. I've already transferred this in this jar, this kimchi jar that I had. It turned out yummy. I loved it. My husband loved it. And we have already had multiple of these. Especially a savior when we are already so hungry and we go to the kitchen to prepare a meal. This saves us for the time being. My husband takes us to his uni. We have also sent few to his friends and they loved it. So if you enjoyed this video, which is so raw, so unfiltered and not so aesthetic, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support. And if you have any video suggestion, please write in the comment section below. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.